Hello! In this lesson, I will show you how to work with the structuring operation in arrays. So let's suppose that I have an array here. So an array of names. All right? All right, an array with four names. And now I want to extract, and now I want to take each name inside a variable. So here I will create a variable called person1 equals to array of names 0, variable person2 equals to array of names 1, var person3 array of names 2, and person4 array of names 3. And now I will make a console.log here with each variable person1 comma person2 comma person3 comma person4. Nice. Now I will test my code. And now, as you can see here, we have each name of my array. But this code here isn't clear. It's a bad code because I do a lot of repetition and it is a little bit ugly code. And to help us to create a clean code in JavaScript, there is the destructuring in arrays. So as we see later, the destructuring operation extracts a value from an object, but the destructuring operation can also extract values from an array. So how to work with the destructuring inside arrays is really simple, but before that I will comment it in this way. Well, let's go. To use the destructuring operation in array is really simple. You just need to create a var, and here you need to tell the name of each variable that you want to hold a value from your array. So here I will create a variable called person1 and another variable called person2. And here I will say that it is equals to my array in this way. Person3, person4. And now let's see what happened here. And as you can see, we got the same result. Each name of our array. So this code here is the same thing of this code, much more clear, isn't? So now let's make another test. I will delete this console.log here, and now let's see what happens if I delete these two variables here. Now I have only two variables in my destructuring operator. Now let's see what happens. Console.log person1 and person2. And now let's see the result. As you can see here, we got two names of our array. So the destructuring operation in arrays work in this way, in order. So here, my first variable here will receive the first value of my array. The second variable here will receive the second value of my array, and so on. If I want to create a third value here, this third value will receive the third name of my array. But a cool thing about the destructuring in arrays is I can delete it in this way. And now let's see what happens. Look that here I have a empty space. And here I make a console.log person1 and person3. Let's see. And as you can see, we got the first name and the third name. Why? Well, when you put a empty space here, it means to JavaScript that you don't want to receive the second value of the array. Alright? So you can ignore the order of the destructuring operator in array in this way. Nice? I can do the following thing too. Here I can make a person4 and I can delete it. And now I have two empty spaces, and now here I will change it person3 to person4. And now let's see the result. As you can see, we got the first name and the last name. Why? It's simple. Because person1 receives the first name, empty space receives nothing, of course. Another empty space receives nothing as well. Person4 receives the 40. Alright? The 40 element here. So the structuring in arrays is really helpful when we want to create a clean code in JavaScript. Alright, so that's it. I hope you enjoy, and I see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.